Okay, nandito pa rin tayo sa Greenwoods Executive Village. This is along Cainta side na ha. Okay, so meron akong another available lot na 113 square meters at 35,500 per square meter. So ang kanya pong total price ay, one moment, check ko lang, 4,011,500, which is located on that area oh. Earlier, nag-video ako ng lupa banda rito. Guys, inform ko kayo ha na ang location nito ay may transline. May transmission line ba? Tingnan mo yung transmission line para ma-view nyo. Okay. Okay. So far, itong nasa transmission line banda, yung pinakamababa kong property dito sa Greenwoods, no? 113 square meters at ang pinakamababang price niya 4,011,500. Pero yun nga lang yung isang downside para sa akin that I wanna share with you na malapit siya sa transmission line. Pero may mga bahay naman dyan, no? Tingnan nyo, oh. Maraming bahay po sa paligid, kaya hindi naman po kayo nag-iisa dito. So I'll show you the environment of this property para po makita ninyo. So iikot natin yung camera. So while iniikot natin yung camera, I'll share with you kung paano kunin itong property na ito. So kailangan nyo na magbayad ng 20,000 as reservation fee with 30% down payment na babayaran nyo 1 week po after nyong mag-reserve. Yung balance naman, you can pay in cash or kung gusto nyong installment in 1 year, may interest po siya na 14% plus closing fee of 6.5% to transfer po the title. So for more information about this one, kontakin nyo na lamang po ako. I'll put my phone number and Facebook account dito po sa description nitong video.